What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
DJ.
And we got some new BK things. So we're gonna reach in here into the sac magique and pull one out. And I don't know what it is. It's a wrap, but I don't know what kind of wrap. They didn't mark it. So
Random wrap, I guess.
yep. So we will.
And only judge it after we know what kind it is.
Alright.
Instant greens.
I think this is an original. I think this is the original. So it looks like that. I mean, regular wrap. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's like a chicken wrap. If you like Burger King's chicken, this isn't bad.
6.5 out of 10.
Yeah, 6 out of 10. All right, peace.